Hey guys, I am about to head out to meet some friends, relatively new friends. I've met them, like some of them before, but yeah, I'm gonna go out and I thought I would start the vlog. Today is a Saturday and I've had a very busy morning. I said I was gonna vlog this weekend. This weekend is my anniversary weekend, 2-year anniversary weekend with my boyfriend, so I am gonna try and vlog as much as I can. But yeah, this morning I literally had to get up early to get my eyes checked. Still the same, and no issues there. And then also I bought some ingredients to make a carrot cake for mine and my boyfriend's anniversary this weekend. So yeah, I am just gonna vlog this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and show you what I get up to. Let me show you my outfit. I've literally worn this exact outfit before and probably in another vlog, but I don't care. So yeah, I'm wearing my boyfriend's blazer that he gave to me because it doesn't fit him. Some jeans from Zara, top from Zara, bag from Zara, my dirty Adidas trainers, and yeah, well, jewelry is just some simple Shein silver earrings, and then my hair. Also, I did my makeup as well, so I'm feeling cute even though I got no nails. Hey guys, so I'm back in and I literally just remembered that like I need to vlog. I forgot, but I've been back home for a while and I'm baking a carrot cake for mine and my boyfriend's anniversary tomorrow. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be filming the process because I have a lot to do and it's quite a lot, so I'll probably just show you the end product or film some bits. But yeah, I just got stuck in and then I forgot like I was vlogging today. But yeah, I'm back from meeting some of my friends, new friends that I made, and it was so cute. It's so nice, like we have these like monthly meet-up catch-ups and I really enjoy them. I am just gonna continue baking and I'll see you guys hopefully when I'm done. Guys, the cat is here, the neighbor's cat. Look at her, she's like waiting for me to open the door for her. Look at her. Come in. Hi. I don't know what her name is. I got her a little toy. Let's see how she's with this. She's so unbothered. She looks so unbothered. She's scared. Are you scared? Oh, she's scared. Oh my god, it's scaring her. She's scared. She didn't like it. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I literally bought that. Okay, I'll give her something she does like. Not like being picked. I finished mixing all the ingredients. I put the cakes in the oven and I'm waiting for it to like cook up. Also, oh my god, I didn't tell you guys, I bought a cake decorating kit on Amazon and it came with like a cake stand where you can like decorate the cake and it spins around, spatulas, piping bags so I can like pipe something. And then I also purchased a cake box with the like cake base thing that you can use. Also, I purchased the cake tins as well on Amazon. I can put like the link to everything I purchased down in the description box below. I'm not gonna get paid from it by Amazon or something. It's not affiliated marketing or sponsored, but yeah. So I'm just waiting for the cakes to bake. I'm probably gonna make the icing after the cakes have been baked. I can then put the cream cheese frosting on the cake and like decorate it. I don't know. Guys, I'm really bad at like decorating cakes. Like I know how to bake stuff, but I'm really bad at decorating stuff. Also, I'm a bit worried about my batter. I feel like it might be too watery, I don't know. But I just hope it bakes well. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's literally it. Anyways, I got so much cat hair in my face. I thought I would show you guys what came in the cake making kit. So I got these 2 spatulas, this wheel, let me show you, and it spins. I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna decorate the cake on this. This is the piping bag with like the little nozzles, some scrapers. I don't know if I'm gonna need this. I don't know how I'm gonna decorate the cake yet. And then I got this as well on Amazon. So this is an 8-inch board with the box. The board is 8 inches because the tins that I got for the cake are 6 inches. So I just want something slightly bigger. So yeah, looks good. So that's everything that came in the cake kit. I have cut the cakes in like halves and I've let it cool down for a bit, so I'm gonna attempt to put the icing on top. I did make it off camera, did cut the cakes off camera, but I'm just gonna try and assemble it now. I'll put some like inspo pics on the screen in terms of like the design that I'm going for.